watching?
We're watching.
What's his name again?
Obama.
No, not Obama. Marvin Gaye?
Marvin Gaye.
What do you think about his music?
Good.
It's good?
Yeah.
Does your doll baby like it?
Yeah.
All right. And what did we make this afternoon? What did we decorate? Cookies? Oh, your baby wants one?
Yeah, but she doesn't have any teeth.
Oh, how's she gonna eat a cookie if she doesn't have any teeth?
I have a cookie, April.
Sorry, baby. Uh-oh, her headband's coming off. Does your baby like Marvin Gaye?
Yeah, but not really.
Not really? Why? Does your baby like Obama or McCain?
She likes... Oh no,
Whoops.
oh no.
Does she like Obama or McCain?
McCain, and I like McCain too.
You like McCain? Really? Why? Because why?
Because my baby died a lot.
Because your baby likes McCain? Who does Mama like?
Obama.
True.